Welcome to the channel, everyone. So I got my Polaris Ranger 1500 in the shop tonight. Just got my toolbox delivered and trying to figure out how to get this thing bolted down to the bed. So this has the new Lock and Ride Max on it. So I think the Expedition has the same thing. Basically, it is a aluminum rail that runs the length of the bed here. I had to figure out how to get this toolbox bolted on there. There's not a lot of stuff out there, not a lot of ways to use this Lock and Ride besides Polaris accessories. There are some like nuts that go in here that are terribly overpriced. But what I got here is I've got a 7/16 bolt. There's a 7/16 bolt. I got a 3/8 washer, so it's a tight fit. And I cut the two sides out of the washer, so it's like oval shaped now. And then I welded that to the nut. So you can see it slides right in there perfectly. Comes right out. And it's going to should hold really tight, and it's going to stop it from turning as I tighten it down. I tried doing it. I just tried sliding the bolt in there. You can do it, but I had a little trouble getting it tightened up because it would wanted to spin on me. This is a quick, easy way you can do in the middle of the night when there's no stores open. You can make one of these quick. And you can get your toolbox bolted onto your Ranger 1500. So, quick video, guys. Hopefully this helps people out. I'll see you.